Hi, this is Dollar Day Trader with my trading recap for Thursday, April 30th, 2020. So I traded two stocks today, but primarily Facebook was the main stock I focused on today. As you can see here on the daily chart, we had a really nice gap up due to earnings, had really strong earnings despite the difficult environment that's going on out there. So we jumped up around 194 to around 204 to 209. As we're seeing, we're selling off a little bit now from the highs, as also the SPY is selling down. So really good catalyst, nice price action, a little higher price stock, but the spreads aren't too terrible, so I felt like it could have been a good stock to trade. So as you look here on the 1 minute, and I really tried my best to kind of sit on my hands again, just kind of wait till the trade develops and not trade in the first couple minutes and see if that improves my accuracy and just improves my trading overall, which it should, because you kind of see more confirmations and setups as the longer you wait. Hopefully in the beginning you're kind of limited with just pre-market information and just really fast price action in level 2. So as we can see here, I waited. It popped up. It touched this level here around 209, just before 210. It sold off. So you can see it's an indicator of the crossing of the moving averages between the 9 and the 20 on the 1 minute chart, EMA, and just kind of sold down. I just waited, and then I see here this hammer, which is could be a good indication normally of a potential reversal. We see some volume being decent, nowhere near the open here. And then on the 5 minute chart, we see this long extension. So I waited, it popped up, and it was kind of in this channel that I had created between the price levels of 203.54 and 204.83. And then once it kind of sold down a little bit, and then it popped back up, I took a long position around 203.80, 83, with my stop loss being this line right here, 203.57. So pretty tight stop for a $203 or $204 stock. And then I just sold up as it kind of started popping up here. I just don't like to hold on to too much, especially with this high price of stock, but going to wick on me and then stop out. So I did try to have the target here, and then it broke this, and I sold my last remaining shares all the way up to 205.33, which is a pretty nice move overall in hindsight. But nice to hold on a few more shares and just watch it rip up to about 208 over. But that's hindsight, just try to improve and do better. Actually, when I stopped up here, I came back down, and I believe I went for a long, and then I stopped out. I wasn't too confident and then just kind of wicked. Actually, there's two arrows there. So I actually went long again, and then sold. Actually, that was pretty nice. But in hindsight, one trade could have done it, and just hold on to remaining shares and just kind of let it run. Let your winners run, as they say. And then the other stock I traded was Twitter, which was, I believe, only one trade. Also coming off earnings. It was kind of mixed. As we can see now, it's down 7%. So they'll probably, even though it hit expectations, I believe, it just wasn't, certain metrics didn't line up to what Wall Street was looking for here. So once again, pops up, touches this, it indicates a potential long. I did not touch it. Kind of the same similar situation as Facebook's, kind of in between this channel. So potentially after this long, another extended wick, potentially could have went long again around here with the stop loss. Very reasonable stock with its price, and its spread was pretty friendly for traders. Just doesn't move as much. Today it did move decently. And then for some reason, it popped up, failed to really break out. So then I had kind of a short bias here. So I took a short and then quickly just stopped out, as it obviously I had the wrong read on it. So, but I should have noticed in hindsight, looking at this long wick here, kind of stuck between the channels, another long wick here, but still closed above here. And then slight volume, not really huge. And then actually this was the big volume and actually went the opposite way. So in hindsight, if I'd have went long and then my stop loss would have been maybe this moving average, that would have been a much better trade and safer trade, and then potentially Facebook. But anyway, that's my trading for today. I had a small green day, like around $60 or so I'll take it. Hope everyone else had a good day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.